Alexa, is the tomato sauce still fresh?
Alexa, how much cereal do we have left?
Alexa, what's for dinner?
Our world is getting connected at a staggering pace. Yet, when it comes to food storage, we're doing it the same way our parents did. Introducing Silo, a first-of-its-kind smart storage system with a fresh new experience. Silo is designed to work in any kitchen, and with our special BPA-free containers, it allows you to effortlessly store your food, keeping it fresh up to 5 times longer. Silo's patented technology is the only one-step vacuum sealer on the market. Simply place one of our unique containers on the base, gently press down. Within seconds, the container is perfectly sealed. Unlike other traditional sealers available today, Silo lets you store your food without the hassle, allowing you to focus on what's really important. Plus, our smart vacuum methods preserve food freshness for longer. Feel like grabbing a snack? Simply press the rocker to release the seal, then close the lid and place it on the base again. Easy peasy. Finished with Silo? Lift the base to stow it away and keep your counter neat and tidy. We've also created an easy way to keep track of your food freshness. Introducing Silo's Freshness Manager with Amazon Alexa. It combines the best of internet connectivity and smart sensors to streamline your connected kitchen. Every time you store something new on the device, it will be automatically added to your inventory.
Please state the container's content.
Strawberries.
Okay, I've added strawberries to your inventory.
Silo will always know how long your food has been stored and if your food is fresh.
Alexa, is the chicken still okay?
The chicken should be good for at least 5 more days.
Plus, since Silo weighs your food, it always knows how much you have, making sure you are always stocked.
Alexa, how much coffee is left?
You have 2 ounces of coffee. Based on your consumption, it should last for a week.
Silo can also be used as a smart scale, your kitchen Alexa hub, and of course, because it is built on the cloud, it will always get smarter. Silo, keep food fresher longer.
Meet Suvie, the new automated kitchen robot that is revolutionizing dinner. Just load, add water, and Suvie automatically detects and refrigerates your food. Then knows exactly when to switch from cooling to cooking, heating your food using 4 different cooking methods in 4 different compartments, so everything is ready at precisely the same time. Whether you use your own ingredients or food from our meal subscription service, you can now prepare gourmet meals with the touch of a button. Suvie, save time, eat well.
Introducing the new hands-free citrus juicer from Vinci Housewares. Vinci Housewares was founded in Southern California by a team of engineers obsessed with perfecting the tools we use in the kitchen. Vinci products are engineered with functionality, ease of use, and durability as the #1 goal. Our Vinci hands-free citrus juicer is the most advanced household citrus juicer available. Citrus is such a versatile, delicious, healthy ingredient, perfect for breakfast, cocktails, recipes, and even desserts. With our patented automatic juicing mechanism, all you do is slice your citrus, place it on the reamer, and press the juice button. Use it on all kinds of citrus from key limes to grapefruits. The Vinci pressure-sensitive juicing technology automatically senses the thickness of the citrus rind, giving you the maximum amount of delicious juice without the bitter taste of the rind that other juicers can't detect. We found the traditional methods of juicing citrus to be messy, inefficient, bulky, and requiring more effort. With the hands-free citrus juicer, there's no need to hold the fruit. The juicing reamer automatically raises and extracts the maximum amount of juice possible. Quickly juice any piece of citrus in under 30 seconds. And the built-in reservoir allows you to pre-squeeze 12 ounces in less than a minute. Our high-torque motor is built to withstand years of making fresh citrus juice. Juice all sizes of citrus, from small limes up to large grapefruits. And the interchangeable strainers allow for low pulp or high pulp juicing. And when it comes to cleanup, there's no hassle. All the parts are removable for a thorough and complete cleaning. And all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Enjoy fresh, hassle-free citrus juice all year long.
Nothing, and I mean nothing, is as frustrating as watching the freshly cleaned vegetables and fruits you just rinsed fall into the sink after you've rinsed them. It's frustrating to say the least. Well, never deal with that again. In fact, the innovative Equilibric kitchen colander's amazing design solves that. The Equilibric colander reduces the amount of water needed to wash your fruits and vegetables by 60%, all the while removing twice as many contaminants. You'll never have to worry about items in the sink again, because this design saves you time and frustration. Its ergonomic design keeps the vegetables upright and safe as the water bowl drains the dirty water away, cleaning your foods and keeping your clean items safe from spillage. With typical colanders, lots of dirt and other contaminants can transfer to your clean serving dishes. But with the Equilibric colander, its washing machine motion helps remove 90% of the dirt and bacteria from your foods. Place your items in the Equilibric colander to thaw and walk away. When they're thawed, simply lift the top level, then effortlessly dispose of the water in one simple motion. The colander also serves as a great serving dish for you. Drain the excess water from your vegetables and serve your fruits, vegetables or salads in the same dish. This is the last colander you'll ever need.